Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day and very excited to share with you as I backed another product on Kickstarter that did arrive and finally having an opportunity to set it up in my car. So I love using a dash cam. I think everybody should have a dash cam in their car. You never know when you are going to need evidence, somebody were to hit you or you need to put a claim with your insurance. So I highly recommend it. There's a lot of dash cams out on the market. One of the problems is a lot of the dash cams don't really have good video quality. So when I saw Dride coming out with their product and I saw their video quality, I was really blown away. And when you click on the link in the description as well, where you can order this now, you will see the quality of the videos. So the front dash cam has 1440. And the rear cam is 1080, and that is, when I heard that the rear cam is 1080, I was like, wow, that's awesome. The 1440 in the front, fantastic. You could see a ton of great different examples, and I look forward to showing you some examples myself after I've had an opportunity to set it up in my car. So today just wanted to just introduce you to what this looks like when you get it, and then I will be doing another full review, and I'll also be doing some other sample videos. So as you can see there, some of the features: dual camera, so you can get it without the rear camera, but I love having a rear camera in dash cam in my car now, but the quality is going to be so much better, and it really can help, especially you get hit behind again, front and back. So the front is 1440, 30 frames per second. It's got a button so you can share on the cloud, GPS, it has an app, auto start, emergency record, they call this cyclic, and I'm not sure, cyclic record, and wide angle, 170 degree wide angle. And then there's an app for both Android and also for iOS, so at the Apple Store. So there you go. So let's go ahead and open it up. And again, I will be setting it up. I'll show you how I set that up there. This is the dash cam, the front dash cam. Look at that, pretty cool. This will actually go right on your windshield, and then you can adjust this based upon your windshield. So you're gonna peel this off, stick it on your windshield, and then the camera is going to do all the work for you. Nice and light. You also need a couple of things. You'll see here on this side there are two connectors. One that will go in your cigarette lighter for this camera, and then also if you have the rear, you're going to connect that long wire, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's also a micro SD card slot, so you want to make sure to purchase, if you're going to get this, it doesn't come with it, you buy a 32 gigabyte memory card, and I'll put a link to one that would work. So there you go. Now let's go ahead and take everything else out, and I'll show you. So first, we have here in the box, this is the very long cable for the rear camera. So you're going to connect the rear camera to this, and then this is the power piece that is going to plug into the front unit. So I asked the company, you'll see here, there's two wires and it's exposed, not to worry about that. In here, you have the power for the front camera. So this is what's going to go on the front. Again, I know it's a lot of wiring and you'll tuck it in. You can also hardwire it there, and let's talk about that. This is the hard wire that you can have professionally installed, unless you know how to do it yourself. So you know, there you go. So you can have that done. That comes with it. Then next up, we have, and I think that comes with it. You'll have to check on the package, but I got the full package. And then this is the camera, the rear camera. And then this also comes, so what you're going to do, it comes with a sticky piece, and you're going to stick that to the piece up here, and then this is going to go on your rear windshield. So this is your 1080p camera. Very cool there. Comes with some other stuff in here as well. Let me show you what else it comes with. It does come with additional stickies. So it comes with another one of these for your front camera. So there you go, and if you run out of these, I'm sure you can get from the company, or you can go to like the hardware store and get something similar to that. Then we have here, not sure what this piece is for, So it comes with some extra, looks like a micro, oh, it looks like this is used for connecting for your computer. So if you want to, you know, run the file that way, but you'll be able to share on the cloud, but that's what I think that is for. And then next up, you have these additional pieces, and it looks like these are for the cables as well. So you can stick those in there. Oh, my hand, I've got a problem with my wrist. So there you go, so you have those. And then next up, last but not least, this is a tool that should be used if you need to tuck any wires in that you might be having a little bit of a challenge, so that comes with it as well. And then last but not least, the instructions. So it talks about download the Dride app, choose your device, access your dash cam, so it walks you through the steps. And then of course there's a forum where you'll be able to go on and get some additional information. So you'll be able to, again, share with your community, talk about troubleshooting. So there you go. Obviously a lot here. It may seem overwhelming, but take a deep breath. They also have an installation video of how they tucked it in. Hopefully my other videos once I do that, but at least this will give you an idea what to expect with ordering the dash cam if you get both the front camera and the rear camera, and you'll see all the different packages that you can order. So let me know if you have any questions. If you're using it, feel free to leave any comments. I know that the company is working hard to improve the software, and they've been anxious to get it out. It's out, and looking forward to sharing with you as I get it installed and doing some video demos. Let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. Be sure to click on the link, and I really appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.